Hi, I'm Priscilla and welcome to my Skillshare class. In this class, I'll be giving you an in-depth overview of the iOrnament Pro app, an incredibly powerful pixel-based design app that I use to create seamless repeat patterns in my design workflow. Whether you are a beginner digital artist wanting to learn new techniques or an experienced designer wanting to streamline your workflow, this class is for you. In this class, I take you through all the tools in the app step by step so that you can create professional print quality designs from basic motifs to multi-layered patterns in a range of colorways, and how to do this in a fraction of the time it takes using most design programs. The designs you create can immediately be used on print-on-demand sites or in a myriad of ways. For example, in mock-ups for accessories or as motifs for coloring books. The most incredible feature of this app is how it eliminates the frustration of figuring out how to place your elements seamlessly because the program has over 20 different repeat orientations that you can activate, and all your strokes are automatically placed in repeats as you create. So a little bit about me. I'm a trained teacher with 2 bachelor's degrees in science and arts, a master's in teaching, and over a decade of experience teaching in the classroom. I'm also a surface pattern designer and owner of Cardwell and Ink, where I create and license unique original designs for fabrics and accessories. The designs that I have created using this app have been featured on the Spoonflower website, Holiday magazine, and Instagram pages. In this class, I want to share all the tools I use to simplify my design workflow using this incredibly fun but very powerful design tool. I also hope to demystify, to me, one of the best kept secrets in the surface pattern world. And I'm so excited to share this class with you because this is the class I wish I had had when I began my surface pattern design journey. I've incorporated all the tips and tricks that I have learned along the way. So to take this class, all you will need is an iPad, the app iOrnament Pro, and a stylus or your finger. I will be using the Apple Pencil. And all right, enough talking. Let's get started.